Hello, my name is Olina Tron. I'm a spa owner for 25 years and doing facials for 25 years, and I would like to share my professional experience with you by showing to you how to combine lasers, microdermabrasion and facials together, and you will achieve great results just in 1 hour. Let's get started. I will be using today a male model. I asked him to shave night before in order to avoid any sensitivity. Also, no sun exposure or acne medication recommended 1 week before this treatment. And while I'm doing this procedure, I'm gonna give you a brief explanation what's this about. First of all, you have to hold skin tight in order to avoid bruising, and you do need to adjust vacuum in order to avoid bruising, especially if you're working around eye area or mouth area. Microdermabrasion, known as non-invasive procedure that uses tiny little crystals that help remove the superficial layer of the dead skin. And one of the benefits of microdermabrasion, number one, it reduces breakouts. Number two, it treats premature aging. It's dry skin, fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, reduces pigmentation. And later on, you will see that we will proceed with chemical peel too, because both of them working on a different depth of the skin. Microdermabrasion more superficial, and chemical peel more deeper. It's a chemical peel. After that, you will see that we will be using laser genesis, and laser genesis also non-ablative laser that kickstart collagen production to repair signs of aging and sun damage. It uses micropulse technology, firing short bursts of energy so quickly that it doesn't damage skin surface. That's why it's very popular. And then also it's heating up upper dermis, and it generates the additional heat in dilated capillaries that help to reduce redness, and that's why it's very popular for rosacea customers. All of those procedures are non-invasive, as I told you. People can come back to work right away. Skin will appear looking softer and clearer, brighter. They will see result right after that. That's why it's very popular in terms of you can produce a great result, great customer satisfaction just in 1 hour. And also, of course, after this, you have to use a sunscreen because your skin will be more prone to sunburn. Usually I recommend microdermabrasion at least once a month, depends on the skin needs. If it's a younger skin types, thick, oily, then you can do once a month. With age, our skin gets drier and thinner, then you can recommend maybe once in a while. Usually I tell to my customer when they will come next time, we can take a look and see if we need or not. And the most popular times of the year to perform this kind of procedure between September and May, because when they have a lot of tan and recent sun exposure, it's also not recommended. On the forehead, you try to also hold the skin tight and stay away from the eye area. After you finish, you have to use the dry pads to kind of slough off all these tiny little crystals, remove them from the ears. And since our skin very clean, we can go ahead and proceed with the peel. This kind of new generation peels are not burning peels. Customer feeling comfortable. You can apply, depends on a customer needs, from 3 minutes up to 10 minutes. The different, between microdermabrasion and chemical peel. Microdermabrasion, it's a physical exfoliation, and chemical peel, it's a chemical exfoliation, and both of them working on a different depths. That's why it's a good idea to combine them together. So if the customer is complaining that it's burning, then you can always use a fan to cool off the skin and make this more comfortable to the customer. After we remove our peel, we're ready to proceed with the laser genesis. Laser genesis is super popular treatment because it has no side effects. It feels quite great. It feels like somebody ironing your skin with a warm iron or warm blanket on your skin. And people quite often can fall asleep because it takes approximately 20 minutes for this procedure. Quite relaxing. If time allows, you can also incorporate hydrated mask with hyaluronic acid after the peel, and then after 20 minutes proceed with the laser. Laser genesis is non-invasive laser treatment that restores skin tone, treats fine lines, wrinkles, scars, large pores, and active acne. It's especially effective in treating rosacea, and both acne and other kind of scars. Laser genesis has been proved to stimulate skin to produce new collagen. That's why it's most popular. We have to try to increase the temperature up to 3940 Celsius in order to achieve collagen production. It takes between 15 to 30-40 minutes. If neck including, or you can include the chest, décolleté area as well. Usually we do recommend laser genesis every 2 to 4 weeks, series of 4 or 6. And the result may last up to a year. After this treatment that we have done today, I will not recommend any retin-A or retinol products at least for a week. And then you can come back and use them as well. You do have to use a sunscreen all the time. And on the end you put the sunscreen as well. No hot showers, steam room, saunas, or any kind of heat inside mouth or outside is recommended for 24 hours.